Soo Dhaweeye.
How are you?
Very fine. How are you doing?
Waa mahadsantahay. Thank you very much. Soo Dhaweeye. Madaxweynaha Somalia ku soo dhawaad.
Thank you.
For the first time in Mogadishu?
Since I left, sah.
When you left?
I left 92.
I see. How old were you by that time?
Maybe like 9 months, something like that. محسوس. Yeah. MashaAllah. And this is your second term in office?
Yes.
You're doing much better in Somalia.
You're right.
I'll tell you that. Yeah. No, you're very loved
Thank you.
amongst the people. Everyone just says great things.
That's good. When you started this sport stuff?
So I started when I was 12, and I think in 2016 I decided I wanted to compete for Somalia. It was very difficult.
Ramla, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Really appreciate it. I'm very much grateful. We are
Thank
all
you.
of you for representing Somalia.
Thank you.
In a global issue. It was a global issue. So thank you very much.
Thank you for
We
having
really
me.
appreciate it. And of course, you have seen so many people who appreciate
Yeah.
it.
Oh no,
You
there's
are-
so much love here.
Yeah, that's
It's
true.
very overwhelming, but in a good way. And
Yeah.
so yeah, it's been amazing. Wallahi, I wouldn't change it for the world.
Take care of it.
Thank you.
Yeah. This is for you.
Thank you.
A symbolic gift and recognition. Recognition of the good work that you have
Thank
done.
you very much. I'll cherish it forever.